Computation of income from profession of lawyer professionals. Let me see practice 5. Following particulars is the receipts and payments account of Mr. Rane, an advocate for this accounting year. Actually, the cash book was given, receipts and the payments. Normally, cash book starts with the opening balance and ended by the closing balance. Everyone knows this, okay? Yeah. Opening balance 4,000 and the fees from client 3 lakh for 3 years, 2021, 21, 22 and 23, 23 for this year. And the percent from clients. Bank loan, it is not an income, it is an liability. So income means only these two. 3 lakh and 40,000 only be treated as income. And the staff salary, previous year outstanding 10,000 and this year 1 lakh 80, totally 1 lakh 90,000 was paid. So books of accounts are maintained on the cash basis, so the full payment only be treated as a professional nature expenditure. Office rent also profession. Typewriter 12,000, the cost exceeds 10,000, so we have to charge depreciation only at 15% on typewriter because typewriter comes under equipment category. LIC premium, it's a personal, leave it. Interest on loan, nothing was given, either personal or professional, so it can be deducted. Rent of chamber, as a lawyer, you have to pay annual fee to their chamber. It is the professional nature. Income tax, it's a personal, leave it. General expenses, it is a professional nature. Core expenses based on the proportionate use for the profession. See what are the adjustments given in the problem and close with the closing cash balance. Other information, depreciation on car is 12,000. Car was used 60% for office and 40% for personal use. So let me see the answer. Only the professional income, fees from the client 3 lakh and presents from client 40,000, totally 3 lakh 40,000. Let's the professional expenses and depreciation. Staff salary 1 lakh 90, office rent 60,000. Okay. Next one, depreciation on typewriter. The cost exceeds 10,000, so we can charge 15%. So the adjustment, no information about the depreciation on the typewriter. We should be very aware while preparing, while computing taxable income from profession. We must know the rate of depreciation of all the assets. If any information about the typewriter depreciation rate means we have to automatically calculate and charge it as a professional expenditure. Okay. Next, LIC premium, it's a personal, leave it. Interest on loan 12,000. Next, rent of chamber, large chamber 6,000. General expenses 6,000. Core expenses only 60% only for his professional use. Depreciation car was given the adjustment 12,000 into 60%. So is a total professional income 3 lakh 40, is a total professional expense and depreciation 2 lakh 99,000. So balance 41,000 was his professional income. In the same pattern, the listeners can practice exercise 5, advocate Mr. Silvam. Now practice 6. From the following statement, compute the income from profession of Mr. Nazir, an advocate at Chennai, maintaining cash system of accounting. Actually, submitted income and expenditure account, not cash book. But he is maintaining cash book. So, cash system of accounting. So, any information about the stock, opening stock and closing stock, that should be ignored. If the information is not given, like maintaining of cash system of accounting means opening stock and closing stock will be adjusted with the purchases of any stationery item because he is an advocate. Okay. Not on medicine. Medicine is applicable only for the doctors. But for the advocates, we can adjust opening stock and closing stock with stationeries or stamp paper and court fee items. Let me see the question. Income side. Legal fee, examiner fee, gift from client, rent from house property. Here, legal fee 1 lakh 5,000 as a professional income. Examinership fee. Actually, the professional holders, the examinership remuneration was taxable only under income from profession 25,000. Next, gift from client 9,500. Here, adjustment to gift from client include gift from father 4,500. So we have to take only the gift from client. So 9,500 minus from father 4,500, balance 5,000 only gift from client. So total in professional income is 1,35,000. With this income we have to adjust less professional expenses and depreciation. We'll see the debits one by one. What are the adjustments given? Electricity charges include domestic bill of 2,500. Total charges 10,000. In that 10,000, 2,500 is a domestic personal, so balance 7,500 only for his official electricity charges. Here, rent of chamber, it's a profession nature. Electricity already we covered. Traveling and staff salary, stamp paper and the court fee, these three are the professional nature. So deduct these three. Next, household expense is a personal, ignore that one. Depreciation on Xerox machine, already this is a calculated amount. Apply this one, depreciation on Xerox machine. Next one, donation to law journal, subscription to law journal. As advocate, you may subscribe some journals, 100% allowed. Next one, donations, personal nature, municipal tax, house property nature, ignore that one. So we have to consider only the professional income and adjust the total professional expenses. Income 1,35,000, expenses 60,500 total, so balance 74,500 was his income from profession. In the same pattern, the listeners practice exercise 6. Now, income from accounting profession. Following particulars is the receipts and payments account of Mr. Vignesh and chartered accountant, receipts and the payments. Normally it starts with the opening balance and ended by the closing cash balance, as you know that. So, fees from client for the entire 3 years, 4,60,000. Present from client, 40,000. Winnings from lottery, it was income from other sources nature. Share of income from firm, it was fully exempt under section 10, subsection 2A. So, only 4,60,000 and 40,000, these two were the professional income of auditor Vignesh. In the payment side, staff salary, purchase of car, office rent, cell phone, office expenses, LIC premium, institute fee, income tax, interest on loan was given. Other information, depreciation on car 15%, car purchased on 1/11/2021. So during purchase of car 4,20,000. You see, actually the car was purchased on 1st November. So the car was utilized only for 5 months during the previous year. November, December, Jan, Feb, March. So depreciation car 15%. In this only 50% only we can charge depreciation on car. Car was used 70% for official and 30% for private purposes. Next one, depreciation on cell phone is 50% under WDV method, of which 75% used for his profession. See, already we calculated professional income, less professional expenses and depreciation. First one, staff salary 2,50,000. It's a professional nature. Second one, purchase of car 4,20,000. We have to charge only depreciation on car. Mind it, 70% of the car only used for his professional use. And the car is purchased on November, less than 6 months. So the depreciation car, actual cost is 4,20,000. The rate of depreciation is 15% for car. The car was used less than 6 months, so 6/12. Into the proportionate use of the official use 70%. So 22,050 only be calculated as a depreciation on car for this year. Next, office rent is 72,000, fully allowed as expenditure. Next, cell phone 60,000, but we have to charge depreciation on cell phone 50% and 75% only used for his professional use. That will be only be recorded as his professional nature expenditure. Next, office expenses, professional nature, we can deduct it. Next, LIC premium is a personal, ignore that one. Next one, institute fee, also professional nature. Okay, next one, income tax, it's a personal, leave that. Interest on loan, nothing was given, either personal or professional, so it will be treated as a professional. So total professional income will be 5 lakh, total professional expenses will be 4,21,550. So balance is 78,450 is income from profession. In the same pattern, the listeners can practice exercise 7. Now let me see practice 8. Following particulars is the receipts and payment account of Mr. Naresh, a chartered accountant. It was not given any account format, it was given the statement format. Audit fee, consultation fee, appellate tribunal appearance, miscellaneous fee, interest on government security, rent received. Out of the 6, The first four is the chartered accountant professional income. International government security was taxable income from other sources. Rent received was taxable income from house property. So leave these two. You have to consider only these four as his professional income. Okay, 9,20,000. In the professional expenses, see, payments. Office expenses, okay, profession. Office rent, also professional nature. Salary and wages, also professional nature. Printing and stationery, also professional nature. Subscription to CA Institute, also professional nature. Purchase of books for professional use. We have to charge depreciation on books at 40%. Depreciation on books, 16,000 into 40%, 6,400. Donation to NDF, National Defence Fund, that should be ignored. That's all. Is the total professional income will be 9,20,000. Total professional expense will be 3,52,400. Balance 5,67,600 will be his taxable income from profession. In the same pattern, the listeners can practice exercise 8. Now practice 9. From the following statement, compute income from profession of Mr. Nirmal and chartered accountant at Chennai, maintaining cash system of accounting. But he submitted income and expenditure account, but maintaining cash. So any stock will be ignored. Okay, in this pattern, accountancy works 4,20,000 professional nature. Audit fee 3,60,000 also professional nature. Financial consultancy service also professional fees. Dividend income from other sources. So only these three are the professional nature. Less professional expenses under depreciation. We'll see adjustment. Electricity charges include domestic bill of 7,500. How much? Totally 20,000 out of 20. 12,500 is a domestic balance. 12,500 only for his professional use. Next, 60% of the car used for personal use. So balance of 40% only be used as his professional nature. Car expenses 40%. Other expenditure, we'll see. Salary to staff, it's a professional nature, 168. Office rent, also professional nature. Traveling expenses, also professional nature, 168, 70-24. Next, household, ignore that one. Institute fee is a professional nature. Subscription to journal, also professional nature. Donation, personal, ignore that one. So institute fee and the subscription to law journal. Core expenses we recorded. So his total professional income will be 8,05,000, and his professional expense and depreciation will be 3,04,500. Balance 5,00,000 and 500 will be the taxable income from profession. In the same pattern, the listeners can practice exercise 9 for their easy understanding of income from professions. Okay, bye.